Hi, I'm Sherry from Fiberglass. Today we're going to take a look at the fairing and filling compounds you'll find at fiberglass.com. Fairing and filling compounds are designed to repair and shape finished composite parts while retaining the strength of the original piece. These compounds come as a putty or paste, which makes them easy to use in a number of applications. They can be used to build areas of your part where fabric reinforcement and traditional resins won't work. They're often used as a filler applied into deep cracks and holes or spread into shallow voids and feathered smoothly into the surface of your part. No matter where these compounds are used in your application, they're designed to accomplish two things. First, many fairing and filling compounds provide structural support. That means they can be used to rebuild broken or damaged areas of your composite while still maintaining the strength and integrity of its original construction. Second, fairing and filling compounds can be used on the surface of your composite to improve cosmetic finish. All the fairing and filling compounds at fiberglass.com feature little to no shrinkage and can be sanded easily. They also resist water absorption, so they're perfect for use in making boat repairs and other marine applications. This category includes our 4100 polyester fairing compound and our 4116 lightweight polyester fairing compound. Both of these compounds require BPO, our 264 and 266, as a catalyst, which you can also find in this category. You can get the details of all these products when you visit the product pages and watch product spotlight videos at fiberglass.com. Thanks for watching today, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.